In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show images in rows and columns in WordPress. Whether you're showcasing a portfolio, sharing photographs, or just adding some visual flair to your posts and pages, a gallery can be a very user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing way to display images. And the best part? It's all built into WordPress, so there's no need for additional plugins or complicated code. Let's get started with adding your gallery block. First, navigate to the WordPress post or page where you'd like your gallery to appear. Once there, look for the plus icon, usually located at the top corner of the editing interface or within the body of the page. This will allow you to add a new block to your content area. After clicking the plus icon, type Gallery into the search bar to easily locate the gallery block and select it. This is the foundational step in creating your image gallery, so be sure that you've chosen this block to move forward. Next, it's time to bring your images into WordPress. You have a couple of options here. You can upload new images directly from your computer if you have fresh content you'd like to share. This is as simple as dragging the image files from your file explorer and dropping them into the designated area on your WordPress page. If you prefer to use images you've already uploaded, simply select them from your media library. You'll see thumbnails of your images appear within the gallery block, letting you know they are ready to be configured. Now, let's take a look at how to arrange these images into columns, creating that neat and structured appearance. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find a settings panel dedicated to gallery options. Here, the Columns slider is your key tool. It allows you to choose the number of columns you wish to display, ranging anywhere from 1 to 8. Simply slide it to your preferred number, and you'll instantly see how this affects the layout of your gallery. Beyond just setting up columns, there are other customization options available to tweak the appearance and functionality of your gallery. For instance, you can toggle the Crop Images feature if you want uniformity in image size, providing a tidy, grids-like look. Additionally, there's a Link To option that can make each image clickable, directing users either to the media file or an attachment page, depending on what you prefer your audience to experience. Finally, after you've configured your gallery to your liking, don't forget to save your hard work. If you're satisfied with the setup, proceed to click either the Publish or Update button. This ensures that all the changes are saved and visible to your audience. And there you have it, a straightforward method to display your images beautifully in rows and columns, enhancing your WordPress site's visual appeal dramatically. Happy blogging, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.